Today's video is a collab with another Canadian YouTuber, Coupon Star. She's like hardcore into couponing, and she can show you, if you're Canadian, how you can get groceries for free or definitely cheap. So check out her link in the under place. What? So my challenge for this video was to find like good stuff from the dollar store to make Easter baskets, and each basket being $20 or less. So my favorite find is this beluga whale. It's like a real stuffy type stuffy. Look at the size of this tank. It was $4, but still I thought this was a really good find. Izzy's too cool for school apparently. So I found all of these like face masks and little makeup stuff that I can create her basket with. Abby refuses to brush her hair. She's going through a stage. Look at this twisty thing. It's like something you'd find as seen on TV. It's an automatic braider when you're too lazy to teach your children how to braid their own hair. Hail? I also scored some stuff for myself. These bunnies are adorable, and I always have to get like seasonal dish towels that no one's allowed to use to dry the dishes on. They're just for looks. I've become my mother. I've become my mother! But they're cute, so I got some. So I'm super excited about the baskets that I put together for under $20 each. Make sure that you check out the Coupon Stars video down below to see what she created from the dollar store haul. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So this is like an awkward thing, and you're gonna get judgy, and maybe you're gonna get judgy, but I wanted to share some things like Mommy Cassie time parenting tippy thingy with you. What? Anyways, as a parent, my kids have all done some creepy stuff. Like things that make you question, are they a serial killer? And maybe, I don't know, am I alone? Maybe I'm not alone. And it's been like one thing for each kid, and it's an isolated incident, and it's when they're too young to even know what they're doing. But as a parent, I think the scariest thing sometimes is your child. Do you know what I'm saying? Like when you're sleeping and you wake up and they're looking at you with their eyes and they say something scary. Izzy used to have high fevers, so she hallucinated all the time. And we'd wake up in the middle of the night and she'd be like, they're looking at me in the walls. Make them stop, Mom, make them stop. Make them stop whispering to me. And I wouldn't sleep. I'd be like, does she hear dead people? Does she see dead people? And I'd be super freaked out. And Abby's done some weird stuff as a little kid, and things that you probably like think, you need to get her counseling. But she turned out great. And Milo, well, we know the Milo stories. And again, he's completely grown out of that. So I think as a parent, I don't want to tell you these things because you're like, you should commit your children. They turned out fine. It's normal to sometimes wonder if we're doing a good job raising our children or if our kids are a little off. I think it's human nature, and my kids have all turned out amazing and wonderful. So you're not alone. If your kid creeps you out sometimes, if they see dead people, you're not alone, and it's just part of being a mom. I'll see you guys next time.